Hello, my name is Karlheinz Zuerl. I am the CEO of GTEC, German Technology and Engineering Corporation. We build a technical and commercial communication bridge between Western and Asian companies. We ensure quality, cost and on-time delivery. Our business partners is highly qualified and experienced in manufacturing precision mechanical parts. The company is located in Jiangsu Province, China. Please send me your drawings and needed volumes with timeline. We will arrange a technical Zoom meeting with you. Afterwards, we will send you our best offer within a few days. The company manufactures for aviation, aerospace and automotive. About 18% are automotive parts. Around 27% is business for overseas, rest is local within China. Company size is 3,000 square meter, currently running business with 50 employees, 40 sets of CNC machines, lathe milling machines, grinding machines and 2 sets of 3D measuring machines.